So, hello everyone, I'm Sophia. Welcome back to another exciting video. So, today's video is about how to get rid of wrinkles. So, I'm actually going to do a mask how to reduce our wrinkles and get rid of fine lines in our face. So, my mixture includes cucumber, oats, and yogurt. I already have the mixture prepared. So, and this is what the mixture looks like. Yep, I already have it prepared. And this mask treatment, it is good to shrink large pores, reduce wrinkles and fine line. It moisturizes dry skin and it also smooths the skin. It is also good for people with sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you can also try this mask. And if you have acne prone skin, this mask is good for you too as well. And people who have skin that is aging, this is also a good mask to use. So I already cleaned my face, so I am going to go ahead and apply my mask. And first I'm going to wet my hands with warm water to be able to apply my mask. So I'm going to apply from my chin upward. This mask can be applied onto the neck too as well. So let do it from the neck, go upward. You apply the mask also to your neck. And you know, so cucumber is good to tighten the skin. So you're going to leave this mask on for 20 to 25 minutes. And also what you can do is cut 2 slices of cucumber, place them on the eye and just relax. You know, the cucumber is actually good for your eye. It reduces the wrinkle plus give you it cleans the eye too as well. So just sit back, relax with your face mask and enjoy. So I'm going to leave this on for 20 to 25 minutes. And I will see you in a bit. So I'm back. I already rinsed my face with warm water. And this is how my face is looking. Good. So this mask can be used twice per week. If there's any leftover from the mixture, you can store it in the fridge up to 3 to 4 days. So for full preparation for this mask, go on to my blog at www.bagofbeautytips.de. And also I want you to check out my YouTube channel and like my video and also subscribe for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. I will share my video on Facebook. So until next time, I'm looking forward for your feedback. It's very important that I get a feedback and you tell me that you've tried it and your skin is feeling lovely. So because my skin is actually feeling lovely. Can you see that? So yeah. So until next time for another exciting video. Bye.